Flight BA4102 for Glasgow is ready for boarding.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Wandering Nancy. I'll be sharing my recent experiences, hotels I've stayed at, food I've tasted, various encounters, and random thoughts. Welcome to join me in wandering the world.
Haneda Airport station right here because unfortunately I was my JTTP card, which is a very important card because it really saves time. I really need it. So I want to just give you guys a very quick introduction on how you're going to pay or get your new card if you know unfortunately lost your JTTP card. So the very first thing that is very important, you have to go to the station to file a report. So once everything is recorded, the police station will give you a report number, so you can just bring this one along with your photo, recent photo, and also another claim form. I'll just put the form here, and then we can go to the immigration department to get a new JTTP card. So it's very important. First of all, you will need to remember when you lost your card, and provide some of your personal details when you fill the form. Then the police officers here are super friendly. They will help you to understand the entire process. So once you get the police report, you can go and get your photo ready, then go to the department to get the card replaced. Okay, now follow me.
If you don't have recent photos, you can take photos at the self-service photo booth on level 2. The size required is 30 by 40 mm and it costs 1000 yen for 6 photos. And also you will need a 2000 yen revenue stamp which you can buy at the 7-Eleven on level 3. Please also note this stamp can only be purchased with cash. Once you have everything ready, bring your passport and all the documents to the office to apply for your replacement card. If everything is complete, the process usually takes about 10 minutes. After the replacement is issued, the expiry date remains the same as your original card, but the card number will be different. One more thing worth mentioning, even if you didn't use JTTP to enter Japan, you can still use it for the automated gates when exiting. I hope this video helps you, but I hope even more that you will never lose your card. See you in the next video.